हेलो गाइस, आई एम अगेन कम विथ अनदर मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज फॉर मैकेनिकल। गाइस, अगर आपने आगे के 5 पार्ट नहीं देखे हैं तो प्लीज़ आप उसको एक बार चेक कर लीजिए। दिस इज द 6 पार्ट फॉर मॉक टेस्ट। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हियर देयर इज अ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन on the screen. Which are the cast iron? Options are given: grey cast iron, white cast iron, mortar cast iron, malleable cast iron, or all of these. You know very well, cast iron have four types: grey, white, mortar, and malleable. So option 5 is correct. Move with next question. When all the tolerance is allowed on one side of the nominal size. Options are unilateral, bilateral, allowance, none of these. You know very well, when the tolerance is allowed only on the one side, it is called unilateral tolerance. Some of the person you know very well what is a bilateral and what is a unilateral. So correct answer is first. Here I attach some photograph for your reference. On the left hand side you can see unilateral tolerance and on the right hand side bilateral tolerance. In unilateral tolerance is what happen, only one side tolerance is provided, you can see in the picture, while in the bilateral tolerance both side tolerance is provided. So option 1 is correct. Move with next question. Degree of tightness and looseness between two matching part is called. Options are allowance, clearance, fit, and lower limit. Some of the person may take clearance, but its right answer is fit. Here you can see there is a pictures in this. 1.5 is a hole size and shaft size is 1.495 or 493. You know very well, there are three types of fits are there: clearance fit, transition fit, and interference fit. Move with next. When hole is kept constant member and fits are obtained by varying shaft size. So option are shaft basis system, hole basis system, degree of freedom, and none of this. When shaft member and fits are obtained by varying the shaft size and where hole is kept constant, so it is totally on the hole basis system, and if shaft is constant then it's a shaft basis system. Here you can see hole basis system on the left hand side and shaft basis systems. Please note one down. In a hole basis system, hole size is kept constant. In the shaft basis system, shaft size is kept constant. Move with next. Maximum shear stress theory is associated with. It's a very important question, and every time this question is asked in the competitive examination. Rankine's theory, Hicks theory, Guest theory, Sandmaran's theory. Options are Guest theory. Here you can see the next question. Endurance limit for cast iron is taken as 0.5 sigma u, 0.4 sigma u, 0.35 sigma u, zero point 0.3 sigma u. Endurance limit for cast iron is generally 0.35 sigma u. So option 3 is correct. Move with next. For designing of thick cylinder cell, which equation are used? It is most important question, guys. Options are Lamis, Bernoulli, Clapeyron's, Barlow's, and all of this. The correct answer is all of these. Here you can see the photographs. Lamis equation, Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation is generally used for open-ended cylinder, while Clapeyron's equation is generally used for closed-ended cylinders, while Barlow's equation is mainly used for high pressure oil or gas pipes. So guys, please keep in mind and note down it. Move with next. For burette, In the earth purpose, which pipe joint is preferred? It is also important. Nipple joint, expansion joint, union joint, spigot and socket joint. You know very well for earth purposes. So it's a spigot and socket joint. Here you can also see the photographs for your reference. In this, a solution is provided on the male member and it is inserted into the female member. Move with next. A grey cast iron designated by FG 200 means what? Maximum compressive strength is 200 Newton per meter Newton per mm square. Minimum tensile strength is 200 Newton per mm square. Maximum shear strength is 200 Newton per mm square, and carbon content is 2%. Most of the guys tick mark on the maximum compressive strength 200, option 1, but its correct answer is 2. Minimum tensile strength is 200 Newton per mm square. Move with last question. The steel widely used for motor car crankshaft is nickel steel, chrome steel, nickel chrome steel, high speed steel. Guys, its correct answer is chrome steel. Here you can see the photographs for your reference. You can see also it's a chrome steel. Don't click on the nickel chrome steel. So guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel and share it and like also. Thank you.